So even before the pandemic, retail, brick and mortar retail was declining, right? As marketers, we understood that. As people working in e-com, we could see the growth of e-com. But the pandemic came and brick and mortar retail, vacancies increased tremendously. So the question is, if you're a broker, if you're a building owner, landlord, if you're an investor, what do you do with that space? Because you have a mortgage on the space, you have a loan on the space, you have to still pay the bank for the space. How do you make it work? What I've been working with a lot of different real estate professionals on is how to repurpose that space for new digital tenancy, new digital real estate ideas. The first one is the edge data center, right? The edge data center is just a data center that's a little bit smaller and it's located closer to people, closer to the user. And that edge data center can process data faster in the network when it's closer. There's lower latency. Number two, you have cryptocurrency mining. The more and more mining that's happening for the different tokens and coins, they need space to store their hardware as well. And that's where the edge can also kind of come into play. So if you have a retail location or an office that's in a major metro area, that could be very valuable for crypto mining because it lowers the latency as well in the network. It doesn't have to go through the core of the network. And then number three is something that we're working on at Grace Innovation called the Hub, where we create these digital kind of brand experiences or digital brand instances in the vacant retail, where we kind of bring together, out of home marketing with the digital component, engaging people on their devices, using different devices and technology to track and capture data. So these are the types of ideas that I think that real estate professionals, especially in commercial, have to start looking into for the future.